Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ShareASale publisher tracking for commission reporting detailed guide step by step clearly. To ensure accurate commission reporting on ShareASale, start by logging into your ShareASale account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the dashboard. In the Reports section, locate and click on Transaction Reports. Select the appropriate date range for the transactions you want to verify. Review the list of transactions generated for your selected date range. Identify the specific transaction you wish to verify. Click on the transaction details to open the full report. Look for the unique tracking ID associated with that transaction. Next, open a new tab and log into the merchant's account, where the tracking needs verification. In the merchant's dashboard, navigate to the appropriate section for tracking or commission reports. Use the unique tracking ID to search for the corresponding entry in the merchant's transaction log. Once you locate the entry, compare the details with the information in your ShareASale report. Pay attention to the commission amount, date, and status of the transaction. If everything matches, your tracking is confirmed as accurate. If there are discrepancies, document the differences for further investigation. Reach out to ShareASale support or the specific merchant with your findings. Provide detailed evidence of the discrepancies, including transaction IDs and relevant dates. Be clear and concise in your communication to facilitate a quicker resolution. Monitor the follow-up responses to ensure the issue is addressed. Repeat this process regularly to maintain consistent tracking verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.